Hi everyone, this is Tanya from LinguaCom, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite platforms, which is called Wordwall Net. So just Google wordwall.net and get open this page where you can actually find an icebreaker for any sort of lesson that you are planning and save tons of time. Let me just give you an example. Um, Here's the first icebreaker that shows up on my screen, and I'm just going to open it and show you how I can work with it. So let's say we've got a group of students, and they're not particularly chatty. So I really want to find a way to get them engaged, and I want to start my lesson with this. So the only thing the students have to do is name the number, and I'll click on it. Let's say we can project the screen on the big board, and all the students can see my screen. So let's say they say two. Okay, what is the best thing about your city? Now they have to answer the question. Great, they finished answering the question. So we're going back to the board, and another student has to pick a number, and that's how it goes. What's your favorite season and why? Okay, this is how you just spend I guess at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes just talking using this surprise boxes. And that's a great icebreaker. Students enjoy that. They like the surprise effect, and it saves tons of time, and it is interactive, and it allows the students to practice their speaking skills. Enjoy teaching.